what are the main advantages if you have a really, really good onboarding process?
Yeah, definitely three things. Number one would be productivity, right? At the end of the day, we wanted to make sure that those whom we hire are really at their best, right? And that translates to them being productive, them meeting what is expected. So productivity is one. Number two would be engagement, right? If you think about, them going the extra mile, right? And a highly engaged new joiner would bring in more value to an organization later on. So engagement definitely is the second one. And of course, the last one would be, this new joiners can potentially be your ambassadors,
Mm,
right? They would speak highly of your company, and a lot of that would deal with how they were onboarded on their first year,
right.
right? So they can be your ambassadors as well to talk really something well about, the company and what it stands for and, what their onboarding experience is.